Horses out. We've got Westerly Wind breaks quickly at the start. Moving up, Senyales on the outside. Smarties. Then followed by That's My Way. Out of Time. Mapagkumbaba. Flaming Arrow. Times of Your Life comes next. Janet Lynn down on the inside. And going along for the first turn, we have Senyales by Abaralenka. Westerly Wind drives back in second. Moving up now in third, Mapagkumbaba. Art of Time is racing on the outside and followed over by Smarty S in Pipa. Then next in line is Flaming Arrow. That's My Way. Times of Your Life. Rising Star. Janet Lynn. Adhika in and trails the field is Gintonggan Timpala. Inside the tres octavos, Senyales by Aralenka. Westerly Wind still in second. Then on the outside, Out of Time is Marias is racing on the outside Porta. Then followed by Flaming Arrow. And it's still Senyales by about 2 lengths. Westerly Wind still in second as they come down to the last 200. Senyales by Aralenka de Hapa. Westerly Wind is on the outside. Senyales, Westerly Wind is on the outside second. But it's still Senyales by about 3 lengths over Westerly Wind. And finally, number 6, Senyales. Westerly Wind, then comes Flaming Arrow, Out of Time.
7-3 at saka